Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by collecting components and positioning the ring. Place droppers facing into a hopper line. You need a comparator reading output. Once done, build the donut frame at player height so XP orbs funnel into the center. Make sure your XP source is active and feeding items or mobs into a dropper chain. You do this because stable timing and containment prevent orbs from scattering and maximize pickup efficiency when the thrower activates. Now you construct the clock and link it to the event that creates XP orbs. Place a comparator reading the dropper output into a repeater chain. Tweak the repeater delay until throws occur at a consistent rate. Once stable, wire that output to the dispenser or dropper that launches items into the donut center so XP spawns inside the ring. Make sure to include a hopper filter to keep exactly one stack going through, because steady timing prevents jams and keeps XP throughput predictable. Finish by testing and centering orbs inside the donut so you can pick them up reliably. You should run one stack through and observe. If orbs escape, shift blocks or raise the ring to recapture them. Once done, make sure the comparator sensitivity detects single items. Adjust with more solid blocks or an extra hopper if needed. If the system stalls, increase the hopper buffer or add delay to avoid rapid firing. One key troubleshooting tip: if lag causes skipped throws.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.